Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. Okay, so how to install the HTML signature on Outlook. Okay, this one. Okay, so first you have to open your HTML file and Command A or Control A for selecting all. Okay, and Control C or Command C for copy. Okay, so what happen if you drag over the mouse and select everything? Okay, so if you select like this way, then you can see when you reply the mail for someone, the replied content will be appear like this way. Okay, so for this overcome, we need to select everything like Control A or Command A for selecting all, and Command C or Control C for copy. Okay, then open your Outlook and compose new mail, and you will see the signature. Okay, signature option there. Okay, so click on there, uh, type new one. Okay, um, hit delete everything and paste it. Okay, Command V or Control V for paste. Okay, and it needs some time to load, and then you have to save it here. Okay, yeah, it's saved. So now you can change this from there. Okay, and close this on, and it look perfect now. So thank you, and this video is sponsored by Omar Farooq. Okay, and he's in Fiverr. You can see 1.2k review, and this is the gig, and you can contact him by clicking this way, and you can see the portfolio over there. Okay, so you can say this is the portfolio, and the 5-star is already above 1000, and if you see the 4-star, but you can see the customer did outstanding job, and you can see it's awesome guy. Okay, so thank you.